Hey guys, how are you? I'm often asked, what is the fastest way to create an ebook? Well, I always say what you need to do is create a PowerPoint slide, then turn that into a video, and then get it transcribed. Now, what I normally do is I suggest that a person will create all the slides for the entire course that they're creating in the one presentation. Do everything in dot point and then present it that way and record it all in one sitting. And once you have done that, you then break it up into its segments. Now, what I recommend you do is before you break it up into your segments is you go over to a lovely little transcription tool called Otter. Otter.ai, as you can see up here in the search bar. Now, Otter.ai is a fantastic bit of equipment because it allows you to transcribe your videos quickly and easily, and not only that, it is a fairly accurate piece of equipment. Now, it will be between 95 to 98% accurate, I reckon. And there are going to be times where you might stutter or you might say and ah, but that's okay because what will happen is Otter.ai will not put ums and ahs in there, and as it reads back the text, it will pick up on any, or you'll be able to pick up on any of the double words. And what will happen is you can then delete that and edit it as you go through. And what happens there is it allows you to be able to transcribe it fairly quickly and fairly easily, and you will have a completed ebook, a completed very large ebook in a really short period of time. Now all we have to do while we're here is go over here to import. If we want to be able to import a video, we just go here. I'm now going over here to where it says browse files. Click on that. I'm now going to go find a video, go in here, this will do, and I'm going to choose this video here. Now you need to choose like an MP4, otherwise it won't recognize it. And you click on that, and as you can see, it's a fairly quick process. These are really short videos, so I'll be quite upfront and honest about that. And as you can see, it says success. So I'm now going to hit done. And it won't have propagated here quite yet. But if I was to click on this one here, we'll see one of the past ones that were done. And as you can see, it breaks it up into its sections and so forth. And then what you do, I've got it, I actually have the earphones in, so you won't hear this right now. But what it'll happen is when you press play, what it'll do is it'll read your voice out. It'll have your voice reading or speaking, and as it's speaking, what it'll do, it will then present what you're saying as you're seeing it. And then there may be some mistakes that were made and you need to fix them up. But you'll find that this is roughly between 95 to 98% accurate. And it's really worth the effort and worth the time, because this is definitely the fastest way to create an ebook. Now, as you can see, all you need to do once you've done this, say for example I decide I want to download this, all I have to do is go here to these three dots just here at the top, click on that and hit export text. And as you can see, I have it as a text file. I can do it as a doc file. I choose not to do it as PDF or clipboard, but I can just hit text and just hit there and hit continue. And what that will do is it will export that wherever I want it. Say for example I want it onto the desktop, I can do it there and click it on that, and it is now saving this onto my desktop. Now if I go back over to the home section, that other one should be there, and it, as you can see, it says processing. We'll click on there and we'll scroll down, and as you can see, it's broken it up really nicely, and it is currently still processing. So on that note, if you could give us a thumbs up, as well as press the bell icon, and also subscribe if you haven't already done so. And if you could leave a comment down below as some of the fastest tips that you can tell me and other people on how you can create products. If you have any tips of your own that we may or may not be aware of, let us know. Let everyone know. All right. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.